Hooliganradguitar5 in this bitch. It's like that road life. Come on, get up and jump into it. Fetches producing, my nigga, I make the music. Mind your business, this shit ain't got shit to do with. You so arguing about it, that shit is stupid. Walk on balcony, seeing the whole scenery. Down in that diners, homie, eating at eateries. Hugging on wholesome bitches, whole weed from Trader Joe's. Room filled with Beacon's closet, exchanging buffaloes. I love to love you, baby, but afraid that I can't. Cause all the messable, and we don't need the rain. We let the critics rave, shoot only with a pen. I'ma go say it, uncle, I bumped into your aunt. It's just human nature, I'm not sure what it means. I'm not sure what it's nice. Newport 100s, please. And the cold beer, make sure a cold beer. You gotta say it twice, they act like they don't hear. Mister, your shoes dope, but what about the get up? Hold on, I'm about to get up. Like Spaceship about to get up. My Star Fox super mega, so I am Mega Man. But with my dog at, now I'm just playing dead. Yeah.